Taking a screenshot on your Android phone is one of the easiest ways to save important information, capture a funny conversation, keep a payment receipt, or share something interesting with friends. The good news is that Android offers multiple ways to take a screenshot. So if one method doesn't work on your device, you can always try another. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple methods step by step. Method 1. Use the physical buttons. Let's start with the most common method that works on almost every Android phone. First, open the page, app, or screen that you want to capture. Once everything is ready, locate the power button and the volume down button on the side of your phone. Press both buttons at the exact same time, then quickly release them. If you do it correctly, your screen will briefly flash, and a screenshot preview will appear near the bottom or corner of the display. From there, you can tap the preview to edit, crop, draw on it, or instantly share it with someone. Helpful tip: if the power menu appears instead of taking a screenshot, don't worry. Simply try again, but make sure you press and release both buttons quickly instead of holding them down. Method 2. Use palm swipe to capture Samsung devices. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone, there's an even easier gesture you can use. Start by opening the Settings app. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down until you find Advanced Features, then tap on it. Next, select Motions and Gestures and turn on palm swipe to capture if it's currently disabled. Now return to the screen you want to save. Place the side of your hand against one edge of the display and smoothly swipe all the way across to the other side. Your phone will recognize the gesture and automatically capture a screenshot. This method is especially convenient when you don't want to press any physical buttons. Method 3. Take a screenshot using the Assistant menu. If your phone's buttons are difficult to use, Android's accessibility features provide another great option. Open Settings, then scroll until you see Accessibility and tap it. On the next page, choose Interaction and Dexterity. Find Assistant menu and switch it on. You'll now notice a small floating button on your screen. Whenever you want to capture something, simply tap the floating icon and select Screenshot from the available shortcuts. Your phone will instantly save the current screen. This feature is also useful because it gives you quick access to several helpful controls besides screenshots. Method 4. Use the Quick Settings panel. Our final method doesn't require buttons or gestures at all. Swipe down from the very top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look through the available shortcuts for Take Screenshot or Screenshot. If you don't see the option, tap the Edit or plus button to customize your quick setting styles. Find the Take Screenshot shortcut, drag it into your active tiles, and save your changes. From now on, whenever you need a screenshot, simply open the Quick Settings panel and tap the Take Screenshot button. It's fast, convenient, and works great for everyday use. That's it! Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.